Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I am gonna be sharing with you my beauty secret, if you will. It's not a beauty secret, okay? It's not a beauty secret. Let's just be real about it. It's just a normal common sense, you know, thing to do. Get moisturized, people. Get moisturized, okay? Especially in the winter. And the winter is gonna get your skin dry as F, and we do not want ashy skin. Like, there's no reason, yeah, there's no reason. Listen, look at me. There's no reason, no reason whatsoever in the world for me to go like this, right, and see white stripes. No, that's not happening in 2019. No ashiness in 2019. No ashy ankles in 20. I can see those ankles through your short jeans, yeah. No ashy ankles in 2019. No ashy elbows. Like, can you be ashy even in summer? People are ashy in the summer. Oh my goodness, I can't stand ashy people, man. There's no reason for you to be ashy, okay? I get it, sometimes you may be crusty, you know, in the morning, but then before you leave the house, get moisturized. Moisturized, okay? Okay? Especially black people, because they do say black don't crack, but believe me, it will crack if you do not use moisturizer. It will crack. It will crack if you do not cream yourself. That's how we African people say, cream yourself properly, please, I beg, okay? Okay, please. So yeah. So on today's video I'm gonna be giving you a miracle remedy for you to cure your ashiness. You're welcome. You are welcome, my brother. You are welcome. You are so welcome. I'm not saying you should go and buy a 20 pounds bottle worth of moisturizer. No, I'm gonna show you how to do your own, you know, homemade moisturizing cream. Okay, so there's no problem. There is no problem. Just chill. Just make sure you moisturize, okay? You can buy, there are moisturizers like for £1. They are moisturized for one euros or $1, whatever currency you use. Get moisturized, okay? Please, okay? Please, I beg. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how I make my own personal moisturizing cream, my moisturizing butter, because girl, lotion do not do it for me in the winter. In the winter I can use lotion. Lotion does nothing for me. Lotion keeps me moisturized, but I need my body to be, you know, it has to be buttery, it has to be silky, it has to be smooth. And the lotions they sell in the stores does not do it for me. I'm sorry. So that's why I put together this DIY to nourish myself, because we want to be glowing. You want to glow from head to toe. No ashiness in 2019, please, okay? No ashiness. Hashtag glow getter. Glow getter, okay? All right then, let's get into the video. See you later.